Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your background on a Slack Huddle video call using the Quick Access Video Settings menu to keep your environment professional and private. Step 1. Start your video feed. Before you can change your background, you need to be actively sharing your camera in the huddle. Join a huddle by clicking the headphones icon in your channel or DM. Once you're in, click the camera icon at the bottom of the window to turn your video on. If you want to check your look before everyone else sees you, make sure you're in the expanded huddle window so all the controls are visible. Step 2. Access background settings. Instead of hunting through the General Settings menu, you can jump straight to the video configuration directly from the Huddle toolbar. Look for the camera icon at the bottom of your Huddle window. Click the small arrow, up caret icon, right beside it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Video Settings from this list. This opens a dedicated panel where you can manage all things related to your camera input. From there, select Video Background to see your options. Step 3. Choose your background. Now that you're in the Video Background menu, you have several ways to customize your view. Review the available options and select the one that fits your meeting. Blur. This is the best choice if you want to keep your actual environment but soften the details so viewers focus only on you. You'll see a gallery of Slack-provided backgrounds. These range from modern office setups to abstract landscapes. Once you click an option, it will apply instantly to your live video stream. You don't need to save or click Done. The preview in your huddle will show the update immediately. And that's pretty much it. To change your background, join your huddle, turn on your camera, and click the arrow icon next to the camera button. Navigate to Video Settings, then Video Background to instantly toggle between blur or custom background images. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.